Hello friends and welcome back to the Negligent channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer, two new gaming monitors, Predator XB323QK V4 and Nitro XV240 F6. So friend, Acer has expanded its gaming monitor lineup with two new models, and these monitors are designed to meet the performance need for both casual gamers and esports enthusiasts, and offering advanced features such as a high refresh rate, enhanced color accuracy, and fast response time. In the Nitro XB240 F6 is a 24-inch gaming monitor with standard 600 Hz refresh rate, and this ultra-fast refresh rate combined with zero point 0.1 millisecond response time ensure that the fast movements are captured without any blur, giving competitive players a crucial advantage in fast-paced game. And the monitor also comes with AMD FreeSync Premium Pro technology, eliminating screen tearing and stuttering for smooth and uninterrupted gameplay with a DCI P3 99% of color gamer. And Nitro XV240 F6 offer rich and vibrant colors with Delta E less than 2. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.